Oh my gosh! Brooklyn, who is it?
Shelby!
Wow! Who is it, Shelby?
Guys?
Who is it, Shelby? Who is it? Who's that? Dog.
Going over
She likes the doggy better.
Ow!
Brooklyn!
Ow!
Hey! You guys want your presents?
Oh.
Grab Brooklyn.
Rookie.
She's ready
She's
to
making a run for it.
What's Elf got for you? I think Elf's got something for you.
Oh, wow.
What has Elf got
You
for
want
you?
your gift?
What do you say?
Oh, this one's yours, Shelby.
Thank you.
Here you go, Brooklyn.
We say, Brookie.
Thank you, Uncle Will.
Thank you. Wow, look at Elf. Thank you, buddy.
It's a storybook, honey. There's not much of a story, but
Oh, gosh.
ask Elf to read it to you.
Oh, gosh.
Who's that, Shelby?
Bandages.
Oh, wow.
Do you like him, Shelby?